We are going to our first B2B exhibition in Sweden. The exhibition is called Formex. We are traveling with ferry from our country Latvia to Sweden. It is one-night trip, very comfortable, and we can have some calm night rest before the exhibition. Here we are, a little bit nervous for our first B2B exhibition. A B2B exhibition is an event where businesses showcase their products or services to other businesses, aiming to build partnership, generate leads, and expand their work. Basically, someone else wants to sell your products. Hey Alex!
Hi!
Where are you going? And did I mention that this is our first exhibition? Meaning we are super nervous. We didn't know how to make our booth, how to make it look, how to showcase our products in best possible light, and we were considering renting some furniture, renting different walls, that products can be adjusted, put on, and basically 2 days before we actually came up with an idea. We brought our own wall and placed shelves so that each product can be displayed individually. We rented extra lights, and here is the result. We just finished setting up everything, a little bit tired from the road and from the all unpacking and adjusting, but it looks, we're very happy with the result. This is our first time and I think we did quite good. And welcome the actual day of the exhibition. Everybody's still finishing up some last details here and there. Now let's go on a little tour. I will show you the exhibition, other exhibitors. Formex exhibition has quite a wide range of businesses represented here, from home goods, interior elements, stationery, garden design elements, candles, and a little bit from fashion industry. This is truly an affordable exhibition for small businesses. You can get inspired from each other. You can show your business to other participants and attendees. My mind was filling with new and creative ideas for my next products.
When you wake up in the morning, he'll be gone. So when you wake up in the morning, he'll be gone.
Yeah, I want to buy this one that she already made.
How was the exhibition?
The exhibition was great. This is our first time exhibiting in B2B exhibition type, and we are very happy that we did this first step to wholesale.
Okay, what went well?
What went well? Definitely meeting lots of people, getting to know other brands, new contacts, and just seeing what it is like to be in such exhibition.
What do you do differently next time?
I would put more effort in preparation, like catalog, how to customers can make order.
What was the biggest challenge?
The biggest challenge was the preparation stage, as this is our first time and we didn't know how to, in best light possible, represent our product, so it was a bit tricky how to do it, but then almost at the last day we figured out that we will do this kind of wall and it looks good. We are happy with the result.
Did you make any sales or partnerships?
Yes, we did, and I think for the first time it's really great result. Also new contacts, people were liking how it all looks, and hope for the best for the next time.
What would you recommend to someone for their first exhibition?
I would recommend start from something small like this exhibition. Don't go straight maybe to huge exhibitions of B2B type and slowly, one step at a time. Maybe also try at first time visiting an exhibition or just starting small.
To do it again?
Definitely yes.